Welcome back to our channel. I am your guide Jordan. In this video, we will introduce you to the wonderful world of mountain pose, a foundational yoga asana that brings numerous benefits to your body and mind. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, this video will provide you with all the information you need to start or enhance your mountain pose practice. Let's get started. Mountain pose, or Tadasana in Sanskrit, is a basic standing posture that forms the foundation for many other yoga poses. It involves standing tall with your feet planted firmly on the ground and your arms resting by your sides. This pose may seem simple, but it carries immense significance. Mountain pose promotes proper body alignment and helps you develop strength, stability, and balance. By grounding yourself through this pose, you can improve your posture, relieve tension, and increase body awareness. Additionally, mountain pose serves as a starting point for focusing the mind and connecting with your breath. Practicing mountain pose regularly can bring numerous benefits to both your body and mind. Physically, it strengthens your legs, ankles, and core muscles, improving overall stability and balance. It encourages proper spinal alignment, relieving back pain and improving posture. Regular practice also enhances lung capacity, helping you breathe more deeply and efficiently. Mentally, mountain pose promotes a sense of grounding and stability. It helps to calm the mind, reduce stress, and increase mindfulness. By practicing this pose, you can cultivate focus, clarity, and a sense of inner peace. Mountain pose is not only about physical fitness but also about nurturing your mental well-being. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step instructions on how to perform mountain pose correctly. 1. Stand at the top of your mat, with your feet hip-width apart and parallel to each other. 2. Distribute your weight evenly across all four corners of your feet. 3. Engage your leg muscles, lift your kneecaps, and draw your thighs upward. 4. Lengthen your tailbone toward the floor, creating a neutral pelvis. 5. Roll your shoulders back and down, opening your chest. 6. Let your arms hang naturally by your sides, with your fingers gently extended. 7. Relax your facial muscles and find a steady gaze forward. 8. Breathe deeply, allowing your breath to flow smoothly in and out of your body. Remember, in mountain pose, imagine yourself as a majestic mountain, rooted firmly to the ground, yet reaching for the sky. Pay attention to your body alignment throughout the pose. As a beginner, it's important to be aware of common mistakes and avoid them to ensure a safe and effective mountain pose practice. 1. Avoid locking your knees. Keep a soft bend in your knees to prevent strain on your joints. 2. Don't collapse your chest or round your shoulders. Keep your chest open and shoulders relaxed. 3. Be mindful not to overarch your lower back. Maintain a neutral spine alignment to protect your back. 4. Avoid tensing your facial muscles. Keep your face relaxed. By being mindful of these common mistakes, you can fully enjoy the benefits of mountain pose without risking injury or discomfort. Mountain pose can be modified and varied to suit different needs and abilities. Here are a few options. 1. Use a wall for support. If you have balance issues, place your back against a wall while practicing mountain pose. This will provide stability and support. 2. Hands on hips. For an added challenge, place your hands on your hips while holding the pose. This engages your core muscles and promotes proper alignment. 3. Raised arms variation. To stretch and open your chest, try raising your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Maintain a steady breath as you hold the pose. Remember, always listen to your body and choose the modification or variation that feels right for you. Congratulations! You have completed our introduction to mountain pose. We hope you now have a deeper understanding of this foundational yoga asana and are inspired to incorporate it into your practice. Whether you're seeking physical strength, mental clarity, or both, mountain pose can help you along your wellness journey. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay grounded, strong, and at peace.